Unraveling the charm of Rolling Meadows Home. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the picturesque phrase, Rolling Meadows Home. It's a beautiful expression that paints a vivid picture in our minds. But what does it truly mean? Let's explore this together and uncover the essence of this enchanting phrase, making it easy for all English language learners to grasp and appreciate. Stay with us as we journey through the rolling meadows. The phrase, Rolling Meadows Home, combines two key elements, rolling meadows and home. Firstly, rolling meadows refers to large areas of grassy land that undulate or slope gently. These are open fields that seem to roll or wave in the wind, creating a serene and tranquil landscape. The word rolling captures the motion and soft, wave-like appearance of the landscape, while meadows signifies grassy fields, often vast and lush. Secondly, the word home here does not just denote a physical dwelling but symbolizes a place of comfort, belonging, and warmth. When combined, Rolling Meadows Home evokes a sense of peace and natural beauty, suggesting a place where one feels deeply connected to nature and at ease. To truly appreciate Rolling Meadows Home, imagine yourself standing in a vast, open field. The grass sways gently in the breeze, and the landscape stretches out in waves of green, with the hills rolling into the horizon. The sun casts a warm glow over the scene, and you feel a profound sense of peace and belonging. This setting, your Rolling Meadows Home, represents an idyllic, tranquil world where the beauty of nature soothes the soul. This visualization helps English language learners grasp not just the literal meaning of the phrase but also its emotional resonance. It's about more than just a place. It's about the feelings and sensations that come with being in harmony with the natural world. The use of nature imagery, like in Rolling Meadows Home, is a powerful tool in English to convey feelings, moods, and atmospheres. Nature imagery can evoke a wide range of emotions, from tranquility and joy to loneliness and melancholy. Understanding these expressions helps learners deepen their comprehension of English literature and everyday communication, where such imagery is often used to enrich the language and make it more vivid and expressive. We hope this journey through the Rolling Meadows Home has opened your eyes to the beauty and depth of this phrase. It's a wonderful example of how English can use nature imagery to evoke strong emotions and create vivid pictures in our minds. Whether you're reading literature, engaging in conversation, or simply enjoying the beauty of language, remembering the essence of phrases like this can enhance your understanding and appreciation of English. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.